Conditions are pretty balanced across most markets, and quite a few agents are reporting improvements and they're seeing kind of signs of the market strengthening.
Good everyone, it's Chris and Sam here, Bayleys Insights team. This is your latest update on NZ real estate news. So Sam, what have you got for us this week?
Yeah, so I thought we'd share some of the results from our latest On the Frontline survey. So this is a Bayleys market sentiment survey that we poll from agents and property managers across the network. So this is around 400 to 500 responses. A couple of the latest insights are that conditions are pretty balanced across most markets, and quite a few agents are reporting improvements and they're seeing kind of signs of the market strengthening.
That's good.
Yeah, and kind of we also asked them what are the kind of challenges that are around the market right now, and a couple of the key ones that really stick out are high stock in the market that's reducing urgency on the buyer side, and on the vendor side, price expectations being quite a bit higher than the market, and that's coming through even stronger since the interest rate reductions that have come through.
I remember within that survey as well, we had the question around impact of the OCR reductions, and one of the concerns was that vendors' price expectations seem to be going like ahead of what buyers are doing.
Yeah, I think that's probably true and kind of shows in the results.
Yeah, super interesting.
Yeah,
thanks
awesome.
for that, Sam.
Yeah, and have you got some commercial news?
I do, yeah. So Microsoft opened their first hyperscale cloud data centre in New Zealand. So the announcements themselves, if you go like through the internet, are super cryptic, but basically Microsoft is cagey about its location due to confidentiality. What they have talked about though is that it's powered by 100% carbon-free electricity through a 10-year agreement that they've struck with Contact Energy with the Te Huka 3 geothermal power station. So pretty cool. But yeah, just an interesting one, like the first of these really big data centres into New Zealand.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, cool. And then, so next up, Sam, we've got sales snapshot. So recent auction sales. What's our theme this week? I
like this theme. It's called Weatherboard Winners. So
yeah,
what
cool.
property have you got in Auckland?
Yeah, mate. So I'll start off 29 Tuarangi Road in Grey Lynn. So this is home and income showstopper, 6 beds, 2 bathrooms on 540 square metres, dual living with option for an income stream. Recent renovation including new kitchens, bathrooms and roof, marketed by Blair Haddo from Bayleys Ponsonby. So this one's sold under the hammer for 2.15 million. How about you, Sam?
I've got a property in Tauranga. It's 2 Botanical Road, picture perfect, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom on 371 square metres. It's a 1980s weatherboard home, double glazed throughout and renovated and maintained to a very good standard. This one was marketed by Chris Pringle from Bayleys Tauranga and sold under the hammer for 730,000.
Yeah, cool. Next up, going offshore, right? A little bit of international news. So another just interesting video. So this is from CNBC, looks at how shopping malls are being transformed into housing in the United States. And it looks at 2 sort of types of development. One, which is quite common even in New Zealand, which is residential next to shopping centres. And a good example being Sylvia Park's Resido apartments. The second one though is housing being built within shopping centres.
Okay.
And they showed some pretty interesting examples of the investors almost creating like internal streets, and you got these little interior apartments, mainly for affordable housing.
Right.
And the overall argument for the video was that housing is starting to become like one of the new anchors for shopping centres to kind of get more people on the site and liven them up.
Probably a bit relevant in like the online shopping age.
Yeah, and I think as well in the States they've got a lot of really dated shopping centres which are starting to get at risk of becoming ghost malls. So yeah, they're doing their best to try and figure that out.
Yeah, bit interesting.
Yeah, and then finally, Sam, so we've got property of the week. So mate, do you want to kick us off with one? Yeah,
so I've got a property in Hawke's Bay. It's 92 Eskridge Drive in Napier. Elevated family entertainer, 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom on about 2,800 square metres. Premium lifestyle retreat in one of Hawke's Bay's most sought after locations, with stunning views and really cool feature of some really high-tech solar power systems. So if you're interested in this one, you can get in touch with Angela Jameson or Mary Jane Dixon from Bayleys Napier.
For me, I'm up in Auckland, so I've got 11 Stanley Point Road in Stanley Point. Gracious estate with harbour views, 5 beds, 4 baths on 1,400 square metres. This one's an arts and crafts residence with amazing harbour views. Recent renovation. If you want to learn more about this one, contact Linda Simmons from Bayleys Devonport.
Awesome.
Yeah, well that's it. We'll wrap it up here. So thanks, Sam.
Cool. Thanks, Chris.
And yeah, we'll see you next time.
See ya.